Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel Shine Like Diamond. Today I'm going to show you my Kipling bag. I have bought this Kipling bag from Thailand, Bangkok. The Kipling showroom is located in Terminal 21, first floor. They gave me this bag and I'm going to unbox the bag for you. So yes, I have bought the Kipling Barbie edition bag. I really love the bag because it's Barbie. Anything Barbie, cute and pink is my favorite. Barbie is one of my favorite things since childhood. I used to collect a lot of Barbies when I was a baby girl. So yes, that's the bag. And this is Kipling Barbie crossbody Ida bag. And as you can see, it's written Barbie here. Very beautiful. It's kind of silicone material, so pretty. And here it's written Kipling here, so pretty. And you can see the material, it's really shiny and shimmery. This is it. And here it has this Barbie 2023 metal keychain attached to it. So pretty. And the back side looks like this. It has a zipper on the back. Here it's written Kipling. So, oh my goodness, just look at the inside, the inner, just look at it. Barbies and Barbies all over. So pretty. I really love the print inside. This makes me feel so happy and nostalgic. So yes, I'm very scared to open this. Okay, I don't want to ruin the bag. Okay, so it's like that. Very nicely packed. So this is the strap. The best thing I really love about the bag is the material. The nylon material is not plain nylon, but it's full of shimmer. It's a shimmery nylon material. It's not like normal Kipling bags, but it's extraordinary. So cute. And it's very spacious. Let me show you the tag. Here it's designed to lighten your step. Okay, so recycled fabric, very good. Barbie Kipling. That's the barcode of the bag. And just look at the zipper, so pretty. Kipling. It's kind of silicone-y soft. Zipper is very smooth. This is the inner of the bag. Oh my goodness, just look at this. Girls, just look at this. I don't know how to show you all. I don't know how to show you with the camera. wish you all were here and could have seen with your bare eyes, but what can I say? Just look at the print. I am in love with this bag. I'm going to really enjoy using this bag. There is a zipper inside here, as you can see. I'm trying to show you in details. So see, this is also printed. Everywhere there is Barbie, everywhere. I love it, girls. I love it. Everywhere there is Barbie. Just look at it. It's written Barbie. They're all Barbies. Just love it, girls. Just look at those. And here, something so nice. So girls, I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. I tried to show you every part of the bag in detail. So if you're willing to buy this bag, you can see from this video and then decide whether you want to buy it or not. So this kind of bag is my style, so I know that I'm going to really enjoy wearing this bag. I love it, girls. I love it. I'm so happy and excited to use this bag. So girls, if you like my video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will bring more videos like this. And please comment down below if you have any questions or queries. If you want to give me any kind of suggestions, what kind of videos I can bring more for you all related to bags or cosmetics or lipsticks, anything, please comment down below. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.